Amid the dense fog of London, a cultural icon lies silently awaiting its rebirth through human craftsmanship. A gigantic hydraulic machine slowly lifts the rusted frame, beginning the journey of uncovering the remaining treasures of a cherished heritage. Teams of technicians carefully enter the interior, meticulously dismantling rows of fabric-covered seats marked by the passage of time. Lightweight aluminum body panels are shredded into small fragments, ready to enter a modern magnetic purification process. Hydraulic shears clamp down on the aging roof structure, breaking apart outdated components to make way for a complete transformation. Fire purification is the next stage, where scrap metal is fed into an electric arc furnace to be reborn as a glowing stream of molten metal. At temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius, steel and aluminum melt away, shedding their old identities to become a new flow of material. A young engineer samples the molten metal, ensuring every chemical parameter meets specifications before the casting process begins. Once approved, the molten aluminum is poured into casting molds, marking the birth of brand new body panels. A fiber laser rapidly scans across the aluminum surface, cutting the signature window curves of the legendary Rootmaster. Skilled welders work alongside robots, using advanced hybrid welding technology to assemble the load-bearing frame structure. High-capacity lithium battery pack is carefully lowered into place, officially replacing the old diesel engine with a clean energy source. Beneath the chassis, engineers secure a high-torque electric drive system, the new heart of this modern machine. The completed chassis emerges with exquisite mechanical elegance, ready to support a luxurious space above.
And the brackets are tight. Booting the system now.
Perfect alignment.
The completed chassis emerges with exquisite mechanical elegance, ready to support a luxurious space above. Deep red Connolly leather is carefully smoothed into place, a luxurious material traditionally reserved for Rolls-Royce automobiles. A white quartz minibar is neatly installed, ready to serve classic British afternoon tea while on the move. The vehicle enters the final stage inside a negative pressure paint booth, preparing to receive its most prestigious finish. The collaboration between robotic systems and paint specialists creates an exclusive royal red coating, vibrant, rich, and captivating. High-pressure water jets challenge the integrity of every seal and joint, ensuring absolute protection and safety inside the vehicle. A testing screen displays the green word "Passed," confirming that the air suspension system meets premium luxury ride standards. Modern LED headlights illuminate brilliantly, lighting the path forward for a legend that has been brought back to life. Without a trace of engine noise, the vehicle glides smoothly ahead, carrying the power of green technology and the spirit of a new era. Crossing Tower Bridge beneath a radiant sunrise, the bright red Routemaster stands proudly like a king returning to his throne. We are not simply building vehicles, we are creating timeless legends that will endure for generations.